In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XRP on Phantom Wallet. If you're already familiar with the world of cryptocurrencies, you'll know how important it is to securely purchase and store your digital assets. Today, we'll focus on acquiring XRP, a well-known cryptocurrency, using the Phantom Wallet. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Phantom Wallet. Make sure that you're logged into your account. This is a crucial step to ensure that you're ready to conduct transactions. Once you've confirmed that you're logged in, you'll be taken to your home page, which is essentially your control center within the wallet. Next, direct your attention to the search bar. It's usually located at the top of the interface, making it easy to find. Type XRP into the search bar. Upon doing this, you'll notice several options start to appear. You'll see a variety of wrapped XRP options, such as Coinbase Wrapped, Wrapped XRP Universal, and just Wrapped XRP. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on Wrapped XRP Universal. This option should seamlessly integrate with Phantom Wallet, making your transactions smooth and hassle-free. Go ahead and click on the Wrapped XRP Universal option. This will lead you to the next important step, which is swapping your chosen cryptocurrency for XRP. By clicking on the Swap button, you'll open up a new window that allows you to enter the amount of XRP you wish to purchase. This is your opportunity to select how much XRP you want to add to your wallet, so make sure you're comfortable with the amount you're about to enter. Once you've decided on the amount, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts are designed to guide you through the final stages of the transaction process. They provide clear instructions to ensure that your swap is successful. Always pay close attention to these prompts, as they will confirm details like transaction fees and final costs, providing you with complete transparency before you commit. After following the on-screen instructions, you will have successfully purchased XRP on your Phantom Wallet. It's a straightforward process, but as always, double-check all the details to ensure everything is as expected. It's important to note that when dealing with cryptocurrencies, take your time to verify each step for a secure transaction. With that, you've now added XRP to your digital portfolio using the Phantom Wallet. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Remember, staying informed and following the proper steps is key to successfully managing your cryptocurrency investments. Thank you for watching and happy trading.